okay. About them, there's a lot of subject between tinang that make them feel like frightened or angry. You know, it's because maybe there's a lot you're born with a lot with you're born with understanding that you don't recognize one another as your kin. Like go to tongue. But in life, you will experience like a shinzu and stuff. A lot of people teach and a lot of people preach, but it only takes one to screw it up. There's a lot of saying like, oh yeah, mo ke shinzu yate. They're mo ke shinzu yate. Oh yeah, he's small, he's midget. You know, a lot of people are scared to put that shit on the table because they scared. They say, oh yeah, no, I'm not. You're in denial. Like, yeah, I'm not. I don't hate short people or I don't hate tall people. Yeah, because you just called a person midget. You know, you deny that con du nâng cái to. You know, you trying to go out and kill like short people or because of their race or trying to hurt them. A lot of people don't even want to talk about this kind of subject, man. The whole but I'm the one. I'll put it down. I'll put it down here on the internet for people to chit chat and talk about and hear your side of the story. You know what I'm saying? So you go here through that shit. You got an opinion too. So why don't you just say it? You don't have to stay there and talk all this shit. Try to find a reason to kill somebody, hurt somebody. Or yeah, you smart. You smart. You think that yeah, cause I'm smart, man. I could kill this guy, man. Bro, man. There's a lot of things that thinking already generalized in whole movies. You know what I'm saying? Like, tu mo ya no generalize whole movies. Their music, conecto todo. But it's up to you, as a person, to understand. If you don't understand what it means, I mean, a lot of people. When you grow up, you always got a hatred between people. Oh yeah, this group right here, they're skaters, so they don't like anybody who's pretends they're skaters or want in because their mom and dad is not friends in the community and stuff like that. Oh yeah, this guy's rich, but yeah, he's a football player. His mom and dad buys him like $3,000 clothes. And, oh yeah, the poor guy. Yeah, the poor guy. He's nothing. He's a peasant. The poor guy. He's just a peasant. Nothing. Poor guy. He's probably from a small village, and yeah, you talk about all that shit about pot A and like, oh yeah, pot A. I know what pot A is. It's just like in the movies, like the hero and he fights the villain. It ain't like that, man. People out here they shoot each other and they die, man. Some people they're so afraid they don't want to talk about that shit. This nigga shot this nigga to be famous. This nigga shot and killed this nigga over here for money and shit, for lust, because he fell in love with a girl's pussy. All this shit, man. Name you know what I'm saying? Yeah, I know. Oh yeah, he fucking says shit to me, Well then put yourself up. Put yourself up and that problem is gonna be in society, man. If you don't want to put it out, you want to come to a resolution, then yeah, it's gonna lead to death, man. Somebody's gonna die. Someone's gonna sacrifice you. Someone's gonna go to church and pray for your death, and maybe someone will die. Well, you do it, and you go. Tin thọ có tuổi, yeah, có tuổi nó từ có lúc tuổi, cái here, evil side. But a lot of people don't want to talk about it because they're scared. You know? Whether the hatred, evil comes from hatred, evil comes from, because, you know, you don't go, you don't do. Because you're short and fat, or, you know, guy that's tall and fat, then got the unzula because your image or whatnot. There's a lot of people that hate one another. They physically hurt each other, and some people even go for, they probably for like riches and land, they probably go to war for it. But you know, me, I choose to be a law-abiding citizen, man. Because only thing that got you're not a law-abiding citizen, nothing's gonna protect you. You gotta know your laws. You know, got your laws. Yeah, you want to buy a car, it's gonna be hard, man. Because có this sport, you know, nhiều không chỉ tao, tin nên giờ có một nhiều không có một nên pay, chỉ có bao nhiêu. All that shit, man. Tin nên chỉ bắt có. You feel lonely, you feel worrisome that, oh shit, you just look, she told you that you look and the message told you. Of course, it's gonna talk có tốn nên chọn nhảy đúng không? But all this shit, man, a lot of people don't want to talk about it because they try to pay more, either from Zhong Fu Sha or Dineng Sha that's gonna come and retaliate, you know. Whether it don't matter whether the problem is between like a skater girl and skater girls fighting over punk rocker guys, you know what I'm saying? Là skater guy là punk rocker là bully or something like that, you know what I'm saying? But that's life, you know what I'm saying? Some people choose to be loners. A lot of people think like, oh yeah, we live by Keishipa, and yeah, I know what he's talking about. But it ain't always like that. Sometimes when you go out in public, you gotta roll by yourself. Cause you suck the tiger king. They are too choco. Yeah, go mao, go your cage, go you to ma, or they work, go. And then got to more. But don't say that. Hong did they know. Didn't or no, you didn't get the message. You know what I'm saying? You gotta protect yourself, no matter if you're short, tall, strong. That's just how life is, man. You have a natural instinct to protect yourself because you're still developed. No, you gotta learn it. Because a lot of people, man, don't you care go because you know the law or photo all ain't you clear, but they know they're saying that you got you clear yet. Because you didn't pay. But I'm just telling to whoever, you know what I'm saying, that's gonna need it. Because cool, of course, a lot of people are afraid to admit it, but in life, when shit happens to you, and you might go through some fear, but hey, man, that's what's gonna happen, dude. They're funny, they want to kill your ass, because you have to go law, or pay to law, go pay to all that shit, man. That's just something that you gotta deal with life, man. Your nigga with antisocial, they're not gonna listen. They're not even gonna speak to you about it, man. You go fuck your wife and fuck your girlfriend. They're gonna do it, just like eat your taha. But to put everybody who's kind of understand what I'm saying is that if that shit happens, you know, hey man, you might do it to the wrong person. Then you know she thought, yeah, it to or there's your even for a wife in case she to husband cheat. But a lot of this shit happen, man. People put on news, there's fake news, and there's real news. Whether tining ko, well, you gotta find out the truth for yourself. It's kind of like they say, not everybody's like that, man. When you live your life against thinking that's smarter than you, that more than you, of course, going your underload. You feel like you're suppressed, like empower. You feel like empowerment over you and go. You only nên không có chọn nhẹ thôi. But hey, man, you gotta push on the button that says it's gonna start on you in your head. You know what I'm saying? But a lot of people don't you back on because in life, hey man, some people though. But me, I do it because hey man, bây giờ có gì tôi sang you Lord, they should know United States. Go and protect it under your very first law, your current laws. You know, the tailor to abuse the laws, no, against you. So you're like Hmong American English, huh? And thinning law will pay to law. Well, bây giờ I'm a first generation Hmong American. We show both English though, but both each other enough that I could pass messages like this. But in life, a lot of people misunderstand it. But then there's something you gotta understand yourself. So whether you live or you die, or whatever your fate is in your life, con tia ke lo nhua do con tia ponia or pay the ponia con tia zi and start your own family because you feel discouraged from that. Hey man, you gotta keep on trying. Over and all, you know, in the end, you want to live together in a life and society, especially like a city that you live in, at your house, your neighborhood, in peace. But more she and hatred and all that. Because you want to see for anybody. So, whether what situation you are in life, if you ever feel like you're lost, or go feel like, oh shit, man, what you so nigno, sato the king, or maybe you done drugs and go not you know, go online or go nick go to moon dog with your friends, go you know that man. What if he says, man, it pissed me off, it makes me mad, man. Hey man, anger, that's up to yourself how you gonna handle it. But on and forward, that's part of life. That if you ever come across, or of course, definitely you can come across it someday for some people. But you know, you have to get through it somehow. You know, more public education, more things to do at the house, like mow your grass, normal stuff. Kasamu, and challenge yourself. There's all that open doors for you, man. Go exercise, good health. Go for a career path, man. A lot of people, they get discouraged because nobody's encouraging them. Even though me, I have some college. Hey man, but I get by, man. Whatever knowledge or wisdom that you have, you can. And that's something that you have to learn how to cherish that. Even though you earn some things in life, it's all but it's so key. Even though in life you feel like key, or the king, talking about that's something that you have to learn for yourself. It's something that I've learned in my past when I was younger. But continuously, as a human being, that's what you do. You overcome these things, and just like they're obstacles, physical obstacles in your life. Just like me, I face these things in life. To whomever, you may face something similar or in particular. You know, you'd have to understand that when you come down, it's always gonna come down to a resolve that is good. You know, onde tem no nenhuma que pay, but you want to go down to a resolve that is good.